Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today I am showing you how to replace the battery on a iPad mini 2. Whether your iPad is dying too fast or not turning on at all, this fix can bring it back to the life. Start by gently heating the edges of the iPad to lose the adhesive. Keep the heat moving, don't stay in one spot too long. After heating your screen, just keep some isopropyl alcohol and slowly and gently open from the side. It will take some time, but don't rush. Add some alcohol and peel out your adhesive slowly. After opening your digitizer, slowly unscrew your LCD screen screws. Now unscrew the shield and take it out that shield and slowly disconnect the battery cables. Make sure to use the plastic wiper to unscrew the battery screws. If in case it is not peeling out, just use some alcohol. Then use some alcohol to open your battery and make sure open very gently. Now install a new battery and connect that battery and install the LCD. Make sure to clean all your LCD and close your shields and install the digitizer and check it. That's it.